Need a repair? Pickup service available across Australia. See description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the motor in your DYSON SV14. Today, we'll walk through each step, ensuring that you feel confident and equipped to take on this project. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. A screwdriver set, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. You may also want a soft cloth for cleaning purposes. First up, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Safety first. Start by removing the dust container. Simply press the button at the top and lift it out. Set it aside for now, as we'll need it later for cleaning. Next, locate the screws that secure the motor cover. There are typically 4 screws on the base of the unit. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small bowl or magnet to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the motor cover using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious, as the plastic can be delicate. As you lift the cover, take a moment to check for any accumulated dust or debris inside. If you notice any, use your soft cloth to carefully clean the area. Keeping your vacuum clean can improve its efficiency significantly. Now that you've exposed the motor, it's time to disconnect the wiring. Take your tweezers to gently unclip the connectors from the motor. Remember, note how they are connected for easy reconnection later. If you're feeling uncertain about this, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you make the right choices for your device. With the wiring disconnected, you can now remove the motor itself. There should be a couple of screws securing it in place. Again, remove these with your screwdriver. Carefully lift the motor out of the compartment, being mindful of the connections. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get help without the hassle of calls or travel. Once the old motor is out, it's time to install the new one. Place the new motor into the compartment and secure it with the screws you previously removed. After securing the motor, reconnect the wiring in the same configuration as before. If you've lost track, simply refer back to your notes or give us a call. After everything is back in place, replace the motor cover. Ensure it snaps on securely, and then use your screws to secure it back into position. Remember not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plastic. Reattach the dust container, and we're almost done. Finally, give your vacuum a good external wipe to remove any fingerprints or dust from the repair process. Before testing your DYSON SV14, ensure everything is correctly assembled. If you're uncertain, don't hesitate to request a quote before repair from our professional team. With everything in place, plug in your vacuum and test it out. You should notice an improvement in suction and performance. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motor in your DYSON SV14. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your vacuum considerably. Need a repair? Pickup service available across Australia. See description.